Where is everybody? Did we just get left behind?
Please don't. This is exactly how Home Alone starts. One minute it's chaos, and then the next, you're holding down the fort in Berks County all by yourself.
If we are alone, at least this car's trying to talk to us. Why is that tire light on?
Perfect. The yellow horseshoe strikes again.
Relax, it's Saturday. Everybody else is off.
So we're not forgotten?
That tire pressure, though, that's what was forgotten.
Welcome back to Decode the Glow with Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. Last week we talked about what to do when that scary check engine light pops on. If you missed it, go check it out. This week we're breaking down another winter regular, your TPMS tire pressure monitoring system light. Trust me, you're not alone when this thing lights up on a freezing Berks County morning. Let's jump right in.
So why does this light come on way more in the winter?
Cold air makes tire pressures plummet. Figure for every 10 degrees, you're going to lose about 1 psi in that tire. And that's why it's one of the largest complaints that we have this time of the year, due to the weather outside. This is why this light comes on first thing in the morning. Loves early mornings.
What's the difference between a solid TPMS light and a flashing TPMS light?
So that tire light can be on two different ways. If it's on solid, usually that means that you just need a little bit of air, right? So whatever it's, 1 or 2 or 4 tires, check them all, right? Just make sure that they're over 2 psi over that door jamb. Usually if it's flashing, well, you might have a sensor issue, could not be reading, could be dead, could be close to being dead. So I would recommend that you get that brought in here for service, that way we can scan it.
What's the correct way to check your tire pressure in the winter?
So when that light's on, you want to check your tires when they're cold. If you try and add air after the tires are already warmed up, then it's going to probably overinflate the tires, and then you're going to start wearing down the middle of the tire versus the whole tire. Low tire pressure, you'll actually wear out the outer edges of both of the tires. So high tire pressure, it's going to cause the middle to balloon a little, and you're going to wear that down faster. That's why TPMS and tire pressures are so sensitive this time of the year. You really want to make sure they're at where they're supposed to be.
What should someone do if the TPMS light still won't go off after adding air?
So when that light does turn on, just swing in the Myles. We can take you at any given time throughout the day, especially with the tire pressure. That's definitely a safety concern. What we'll do is we'll bring it in, we'll check for leaks, make sure that you don't have a leak that's causing that light to stay on, or it's losing a little bit of air overnight. Could be leaking from a valve stem, could be leaking from the rim where the bead is on the tire to the rim. The sensors aren't necessarily free, so we need to know exactly what's going on, but we will ask your permission before we do anything. Obviously, we don't charge for premium air. If it just needs air, we just add air, and then, usually we can send you on your way. If it does need a sensor, we are going to need some time to figure out exactly which sensor is bad, because you usually have a total of 4 on that car. Some vehicles don't have TPMS sensors individualized in the tire, and they actually go off of the wheel speed sensor. That's why the time for testing would be required.
And what happens if someone ignores that light?
Low tire pressure actually causes, faster wear on your tires, could result in a blowout, reduced fuel efficiency. Wintertime, you really want to make sure that you're not slipping and sliding on these roads out here. That's why it's very important to keep them up to snuff.
We see this light constantly across Berks County, especially when the temperatures drop. Sometimes it's just a cold, but sometimes it's the start of a flat. If your TPMS light won't turn off, or if you just want a quick pressure check, stop by at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. We have 4 convenient Berks County locations in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. We are here to help you decode the glow all winter long. See you next week, and hopefully Rich doesn't get left home alone again. Bye.